And pretty much you can see right here that today I made already $89.11, but it's still pretty much morning, so the sales are yet to come in. But yesterday I made over $152 on complete autopilot without even touching my laptop. And as you can see right here, in the last 7 days I was able to generate over $1,200, which is pretty much like my weekly payout. But just last month I made over $7,442 just by using this system. And if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using to generate these kind of results consistently every single month using this powerful affiliate marketing strategy, just go to the first link in the video description and apply for my coaching program, where I'm going to teach you exactly this same method. But in today's video, and completely for free, I'm going to show you how to make around $500 per week with CPA marketing using completely free traffic. And this is going to be like a easy side hustle that you can set up every now and then, because this is not going to be working every time. There are specific times when this side hustle is going to be working, and today is exactly one of those days. So if you're watching this video, you are in luck, because if you are going to set this up right now after you finish watching this video, there's a huge chance you're going to make thousands of dollars just by doing this. And also I'm going to make it a lot easier for you, because I'm going to give you a template, a done for you copy and paste template that you can use with this method, so you can set this up literally in just a couple of minutes. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more money making content. And also do let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite movie of all time? Okay guys, so first of all, what you want to do is go to this website right here that you may know from some of my previous videos. It's called OgAds.com, and it's the #1 content locking network out there, and we are going to be using OgAds.com to make money with this method. What you want to do is sign up for your free account, which may be troublesome for some beginners. That's why I'm going to put somewhere in the video description a complete tutorial, another video tutorial that you can use to sign up and get approved on OgAds without any problems. Once you're going to sign up for your account, what you want to do is log right into it. And to start making money with OgAds, you want to navigate to tools and content lockers. Then what you want to do is go to this section where it says create a content locker, and you want to click on that. And pretty much this is very easy process how you can create content locker in just a couple of minutes. All you need to do is just go ahead and name it something, select what type of action you want to happen once people are going to click on it, and you want to create it. Now in order for this to work, what you actually need is some type of content that you can lock with this. And in this video I'm going to give you one of the best niches for this that's unfortunately not working every single time, but there are certain times where it's going to be working very well. And as I mentioned before, I'm going to tell you when's the best time to set this up, and now is one of those times where it's going to be working very well. So if you go to this website right here that's called Box Office Mojo by IMDb, you can see right here the top grossing movies that are trending right now, and you can do this method literally for any one of these movies, but it's going to be working well just when some of the most famous movies are going to be released. And pretty much every time one of these top grossing movies is going to come out, there's huge hype about them and many people want to see them, and they are going to be looking for the cheapest or free ways to watch them. Now don't worry, because in this video we are not going to be doing any piracy, nothing illegal, nothing like that. All we are going to be doing is promoting one of these movies and making money in the process using content locker that we are going to create on OgAds. Now first of all, what you want to do is create a very simple landing site that you can embed with the content locker that's going to be actually making you money. And to do that, what I highly recommend is that you go to GoHighLevel.com and sign up for your account. If you're going to be using HighLevel for this method, what you can do is go to the first link in the video description and sign up for an extended 30-day trial of HighLevel, because as you can see right here, if you're going to sign up directly through the website, you will get just 14 days, which is pretty much 2 weeks of free trial. But if you're going to use my link in the video description, you are going to get extended 30-day trial, so you can pretty much run this method for an entire month, make a couple $1,000s with it without having to spend a single cent out of your own pocket. So what you want to do is go to the first link in the video description, sign up for HighLevel, then just log right into the app. And once you log into it, what you want to do is go to the toolbar and you want to click on sites. Now I've got a couple of other videos going in detail how to use HighLevel platform to set up various affiliate marketing strategies, which I'm going to be linking at the end of this video. But for the sake of not making this one too long, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a simple landing site for this method. click on sites and you want to click on create a new funnel and then just choose this create from blank. You want to name it something, for example, like OgAds movie CPA. This is pretty much just for your own reference. You can name it anything that you want and then just click on create and your funnel gets created right here. What you want to do then is go to this right side, click on it and click on edit, then just click on add new step right here. And what you want to do is name it something, and once again I'm going with OgAds CPA. Click on create a funnel step, and what you want to do now is just create a landing site from blank, from scratch, by using this button. Once you click on that, you will get to this very simple drag and drop editor, which is one of the best builders out there for creating landing sites that I have ever seen. And that's the reason why I'm moving most of my landing sites to HighLevel, because it's very easy to set up. And to start creating your site from scratch, what you want to do is click on section, click on add section, and what you want to do is add there a full width box, just like that. Now pretty much into this box I'm going to add one row with one column and add element, which is going to be containing my headline. Now for the headline you want to choose a name of the movie that you're going to be promoting, and because I want to go with this John Wick Chapter 4 movie, I'm just going to type it in there, and what I'm going to do is also increase the size of the title, just like that. Then what you want to do is add another section right below the title, make it full width, and what you want to add in there is a video. Click on add elements and choose video from this toolbar. What you want to do for this video is pretty much go to YouTube and you want to search for the trailer to the video. So I'm just going to type it in there, hit search, and what you want to do is pretty much just copy the link to the trailers. Which video is the official trailer, and it's this first at the top. So what I'm going to do is just right click on it, copy link address, go back to HighLevel, and what I'm going to do is select the video, and right here on the left side you want to select video type YouTube and paste the link to the trailer in there. What I'm also going to do is select this autoplay to be turned on, so that way every time somebody's going to land on this page, the video will start playing automatically and it's going to instantly capture the attention whoever is going to come to this page, so it will be that much easier to get the conversions. This is one of the reasons why I'm using HighLevel for my landing pages, because you get options just like these. For example, you get to play the video instantly, which pretty much wouldn't work on Google Sites or any other landing page builder that I have used before, and it's going to be working very well here. Then what you want to do is add another section right below this trailer part, and this time you want to make it 2 columns. Pretty much the reason for that is because we are going to be adding an image to this side along with some call to action. So I'm just going to click on add element and select image this time. Now pretty much for the image, what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called cmovies.so, and you want to find the movie that you're going to be promoting. So pretty much I'm promoting John Wick Chapter 4, so I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to take a screenshot from the banner, something like this for example. So it's going to entice whoever's going to come to the page to click on it to see the full movie. Just hop back to HighLevel, upload the image that you have just took, just like that. Then to this right side, I'm going to add a text and I'm going to type in there, click play to watch the full movie. Then add another text box right below it, and there I'm going to type something like human verification may be required to play the full movie. Then I'm going to customize these text boxes so they are going to be a little bit more enticing, just like that. Then what you want to do is go to OgAds and you want to create the actual content locker that's going to be paying you money. So first of all, I'm going to name it something like CPA movie John Wick or something like that, just for my own reference. Then in this unlock action, what you want to do is make sure you select redirect to another URL, and in this redirect URL you want to paste the link to the C-Movies website. So just go ahead and copy the link to the cmovies.so website, paste it in there just like that, and then just click on create a locker. Once your locker gets created right here, what you want to do is navigate to this right toolbar and you want to click on actions and view details, and you want to scroll all the way down here and copy this red URL that's going to be displayed at the bottom. Just go ahead and copy that, jump back to HighLevel, select the image from the C-Movies website that you have took, go to this toolbar, and what you want to do in these actions, you want to select go to website URL. There you want to paste the link to your content locker that's going to be making you money from every click that you're going to get to this landing site. And all you need to do now is just click on save, and you want to publish this landing site without paying for any hosting at all. What you want to do is just name it something like John Wick Chapter 4 for example, and then just click on update metadata. And if you're going to preview it, it's going to look something like this. The video is going to get played instantly. It's going to capture the attention whoever's going to come to this website, and they can see right here the huge call to action that's going to entice them to click on this image to play the movie, and once they're going to click on it, they will be taken to the content locker and they will complete it as the part of a human verification process, and you're going to get paid. Now what I'm going to do is put the link to this exact same template that I'm using in this video in the video description, so you can just go ahead and copy and paste it into your own HighLevel account. All you need to do is exchange the link to this trailer right here for the movie that you're going to be promoting, exchange this image for one that you're going to be promoting just as well, and make sure you're going to embed it with your content locker, because you don't want to be promoting my content locker. I mean, I'm not going to mind if you do, but I would highly prefer that you use your own content locker and make some money for yourself. Now to actually drive traffic to a landing site just like this, what you want to do is go to this website right here that you may already know. It's called tiktok.com, and it's one of the most popular websites out there right now, and it's hosting all these short format videos for any niche that you want. If you're going to search for free movie, you can see literally hundreds of these short TikToks that are going to be promoting websites where you can watch movies completely for free, and it's very easy to create such a video. For example, you can see right here this video, all the person did is just use their cell phone to record a short video of their laptop screen showing the website where you can watch the movies for free, and it has gotten over 1.2 million views already. Now these videos are very popular because on TikTok people are looking for anything that they want to learn instead of YouTube these days, because these videos are very short, so they are more easier to watch. And as you can see right here, this person has over 12 million views in his short video promoting 4 underrated websites where you can watch videos, where you can watch movies completely for free. So all you want to do is create such a short format video, post it to TikTok, make sure you're going to post the link to your landing site in the bio, and that way you will start getting traffic. And you can do this literally for any of these movies that you can see right here. But to get the most out of this method, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for top upcoming movies 2023, hit search, and if you're going to go to this website right here that's called Rotten Tomatoes, you're going to open it up. You can see all the top upcoming movies that are going to come out. So what you want to do is just make sure to wait for these movies to come out, and this method is going to be working best at the day of the release. For example, if you're going to be doing this for this The Flash 2023 movie, you'll have to wait till June 16, which is pretty much in like 3 days from now, and you can do it for this movie just as well. So literally using this method, you can make thousands of dollars just by promoting movies that are about to come out. All you have to do is just use this template on HighLevel that I'm going to link in the video description, embed it with the trailer to the movie you're going to be promoting, put in your content locker, and you're going to get paid. Now for the extended version of HighLevel trial, just go to the first link in the video description, sign up for your account and set this method up for yourself. Other than that, if you want to see some more money making content using HighLevel platform, check out this video right here, and I'm going to see you there.